couldn't sleep last night. Every time I tried, I saw the faces I was missing. Chasing dreams inside was 17 and now I'm almost 30 and now the me. Nobody knows me here. Another reason it turns into years. I know I'm a fire all on my own, but all of my friends are in their homes. Isn't it amazing how this works? We spent our whole life building our own. All of it, the moment this fight feel is lost, and all of my doubts comes creeping out. 'Cause nobody knows me here. Another reason it turns into years. I know I'm a fine here, all on my own. But all of my friends, they understand. But all of my friends are in their home.